20. Looking at the answers, could it be starting with C? Let's take a look at the graphs up above. We've got on the left graph, we've got a point here, -1, 3. This point down here, 1, -3. And these are probably going to be pretty important. Now, looking at the second graph, it looks like the first graph, but just translate it over. Okay. Notice it went from -1 as an x to a 2, which means that it moved over 3 units. Okay. And on the y, it went from 3 to a 1, so it went down 2 units. And now you just want to verify this 1 to -3 goes to 4 to -5. So on the x, it goes from 1 to 4, so it moved 3. From -3 to -5, it moved 2. So this is the same graph translated, or it looks like, or it appears at the moment. The figures above show the graphs of f and g. Great. The function f is defined by f of x equals x cubed minus 4x. And notice that that is graphable on a calculator, right? The function g is defined by g of x equals f of parentheses x plus h plus k. All right, let's just write that one down. G of x equals f of x plus h plus k. Basically, the English behind that is that this g of x, which is a right-hand curve, is equal to the left-hand curve translated a bit, okay? Now, what does that actually mean? We said that the x value translated to the right 3, and if you know your algebra, when you have the horizontal translation with the x, it's always opposite that you actually see. So if it moved right 3, you might be thinking that moved +3, but you have to write down -3 for h. So we know h equals -3. And then the vertical translation, the k, is exactly what you see. So it went down 2, so k will be a -2. Okay, next phrase, where h and k are constants. Great. What is the value of hk? Well, hk is the same thing as -3 times -2, which equals a +6. The answer here is E.